In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the keyboard is not working on your iPad 11A16. Now this problem can either happen on the on-screen digital keyboard of your iPad or to any external keyboard which you're trying to connect to your iPad. Now I'll start by telling you how you can fix this issue if you're facing it on the on-screen keyboard, and later in this video I'll also tell you how to fix this issue if it is happening with your physical keyboard. Now first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Bluetooth, and from here just turn off the toggle for Bluetooth. Now sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad might automatically connect to your external keyboard, and this might be why the on-screen keyboard is not working on your iPad. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just grab your iPad, then press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button of your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now once the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then in that case, just go back to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just scroll down and tap on Keyboards and Typing. From here, just tap on Full Keyboard Access, and from here, just make sure you enable the toggle for Full Keyboard Access. After that, just go to General, and in the General settings, just scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset. Now from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Then enter your lock screen PIN. And from here, just tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You'll just reset the keyboard dictionary of your iPad. Now after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if the keyboard of your iPad is working, but if you have noticed that the keyboard is small, now to increase the size of the keyboard if it is floating on the screen, just pinch out with 2 fingers on the screen, just like that. And by doing that, you will increase the size of the keyboard if it is small. Now this is one thing, but if the physical keyboard of your iPad is not working, either it be a Bluetooth keyboard or the magnetic keyboard for your iPad, now to fix this issue, first of all, just disconnect your iPad from the magnetic keyboard. If you have got the magnetic folio case for your iPad, just disconnect your iPad from the magnetic keyboard. After that, just look at the bottom of your iPad and you will find these connection pins. Now just use a soft cloth and clean the connection pins over here. Also clean the connection pins on the keyboard, and after that just connect your keyboard with your iPad and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you're using any other Bluetooth keyboard instead of the magnetic keyboard, then in that case just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on Bluetooth. From here just enable the toggle for Bluetooth, and under Other Devices just look for the name of your keyboard. Now if you're unable to find your keyboard from here, then just turn off Bluetooth and turn off your Bluetooth keyboard. Then just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just enable the toggle for Bluetooth from here and turn on your Bluetooth keyboard. Now if there is a button on your keyboard to enter it into pairing mode, just enter your keyboard into pairing mode. Now after you do that, then you will find the name of your keyboard under Other Devices. Just tap on the name of your keyboard to connect your keyboard with your iPad. Also, if there is a specific app in which you're trying to use the keyboard and if it is not working, then in that case just go to the Recent Apps section and close the app from the background. Now after you do that, then just reopen it and try to use the keyboard of your iPad. Now if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just perform a force restart on your iPad as I have mentioned earlier. Now to repeat the process, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. But if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then first of all, just try to connect your Bluetooth keyboard with any other iPad or any other device and make sure that your keyboard is working. Also make sure that your keyboard is fully charged. Sometimes your keyboard can be out of charge, which is why the keyboard might not work. But if you have made sure that your keyboard is fully charged and it is working, then in that case, this can be a software glitch with your iPad. To fix this issue, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under General, just tap on Software Update, and from here, just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad. And this is how you can fix the keyboard not working problem on the iPad 11 A16. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.